Hi, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're working on a 2007 Chevy 3500 with the LBZ Duramax motor. Customer came in complaining that the vehicle had a lot of excessive black smoke out the tailpipe. Sounded like it was building boost, but didn't really have as much power as it used to, and they were really concerned about that black smoke coming out of the tailpipe. Through some diagnostic time, we figured out that the issue was that the EGR valve was stuck open. We advised them we would need to get a new EGR valve, put it in, and that should satisfy the issue with building boost, creating power, and eliminate the unwanted black smoke out of the tailpipe. In the process of removing the components needed to remove the EGR valve, one of the ears broke off on the elbow that goes into the turbocharger. We advised the customer that that needed to be replaced. We spent some time discussing with them the importance of proper airflow, especially since they had an upgraded Stealth 64 turbo on the truck, that it might be time to spend a little bit of money and put a Whirly custom fabrication high flow bundle kit on to be able to take full advantage of the turbo now that we've got the issue with the boost pressure resolved. They said, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We were able to get a hold of Whirly Custom Fab, get a high flow bundle kit that they had in stock, got it installed on the vehicle, took the truck out for a drive. Not only was the black smoke issue resolved, the truck did seem to have the correct amount of power for that new Stealth 64 turbo. So if you have a vehicle that's got some excessive black smoke or just seems underpowered and you're not quite sure where to take it, we do strive to be efficient in diagnosing the issue and getting the repairs done here at 3D Auto Repair. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.